To connect Redmi Buds 6 Active with your phone, first of all, you will have to input both earbuds inside this charging case, open this cover, and also before you actually enter for the pairing mode, be sure that you actually charge them for like 5 minutes, just to have enough battery on your charging case. Then you will have to find this button that is located on the right side. You will have to click and hold it, and wait until this indicator starts blinking. Now we can release. Put it close to your device, open the Bluetooth settings, go to pair new device, and select your Redmi Buds 6 Active. Right now, accept the pairing. As you can see now, we are successfully connected, and right now we can just use them, but also you can get the Xiaomi earbuds application from the Google Play Store, so we can just open it, accept this user agreement, click agree in the right bottom corner, select your region, click next, next, and next again. Now click start, accept this permission, and just wait. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe to get more tutorials about Redmi Buds 6 Active.